Hello, good morning to everyone. We are doing two more questions of first of 10.2 of first question of 10.2. Okay, F part and G part. Look at. So first, now we have to find its area by counting of the square. So first we will count how many total number of fully filled square. How much? Fully filled. 1, 2. How much? 2. Now we will find number of half filled square. How many half filled? 1, 2, 3, 4. How many? 4. So first we will find what is total area of fully filled square. How much? Everyone know area of one fully filled square how much is 1 and how many total? 2. So 2 into 1 how much? Total is 2. Same as it is total area of half filled square. And I already told you area of half filled is half and total number of is how much? 4 into 4. Always remember area of fully filled square is 1 and area of half filled is half into 4. So how much? 2 ja. So what is 2? So total area is how much? 2 plus 2. 2 plus 2 is how much? Is 4. Understand it? Like this one we will find this answer. Next is G part. In G part, first we will count how many fully filled. 1, 2, 3, 4. So total fully filled is 4. Now we will count number of half filled. Half filled is 1, 2, 3, 4. How many? Is 4. Area of one fully filled square is 1 and total is how much? 4. So 1 into 4. Total is 4. Number of half filled is 4 and area of half filled is half into 4. How much? 2. It is 6. So total area is how much? Total area 4 plus 2. How much is total? 6. Same as it is, you can find the area of the other figure also. Understand it? Now we will do the sum important. Okay? Tell me. Now we will start 10.3. Okay? 10.3. 10.3 exercise is based only two formulas. If you know these two formula, you can solve easily. Understand? Look at, we already learned how to find area. Area means total area enclosed by, okay, by a figure. Suppose it is a rectangle. And its length is 5 meter, breadth is 3 meter. If I ask you what is its area, so area, how will we count? By counting of square. So first 1, 2, and if like this one is given, so we can find its area is how much? We will count square 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. Total area is 15. But we can find its area like this one also. length is 5 meter and breadth is multiply 3 meter. So 5 into 3, 15 meter. 15 square meter. Why square? Because if you count 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, how many square total? So 15 square unit. So 15 square. But if you will find area 5 into 3, so 15. So how many square? So square meter. Because how many square is become 15? So 5 into 3, 15, and square and meter. If it is here centimeter, centimeter. If it is here meter, then we will write meter. Understand or not? So it's mean it is rectangle, everyone know, and we find area length into breadth. We have two methods. Either we can count its square. We count its square is total is 15. But we observe that when we multiply 5 into 3, it is also come 15. So its area is always, how will you find? Length into breadth. Understand? So remember this formula always. How will you find? So write area of rectangle. Always, how will you find? Length multiply breadth. It is formula. Next is same as it is. Area of square. How will you find? Side multiply side. You can find like this one. Look at one more example. Suppose its side is 3 meter, okay? Its side is 3 meter. If I ask you what is its area, you will say, sir, you will count 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. So area is 9 square unit. But if you will write, you know its side is 3 meter, 3 meter, 3 meter, 3 meter. But we observe 3 into 3 also become 9. So side into side. So remember this formula always, and we can do easily all the questions. Okay. Now we will start our exercise. Okay. First 10.3. First question, D part. Find the area of rectangle whose side are given. D part, side is 2 meter. So first we will write length of rectangle. How much given? 2 meter. Next is breadth. Breadth of rectangle. How much? 70 centimeter. But we observe that one thing. Length is meter, it is in centimeter. Always we will multiply same unit. Meter, meter, centimeter, centimeter. That means either we will change this one in meter or we will change this one in centimeter. So you can change this one in meter. How will you change in meter? Divide by 100. 0 cancel by 0. What is 0.7 meter? So right. Area of rectangle. Area of rectangle, I already told you. Formula. Length into breadth. Length is 2. It is 0.7. How will you do? 2. First we remove decimal. 2 into 7, 14. 14 by 10. Yes. So it is, how many 0 in denominator? 1. So after decimal 1 is 1.4. And always remember area is always in square. So we write square meter. What is? We change in meter. So square meter. If it is in centimeter, we will write square centimeter. Always square. So it means how much square? 1.4 square. Understand? Next is B part. Second question. A part, what is given? The find the area of square whose side are given. So right? Side of square. How much? 10 centimeter. 10 centimeter. Next. area of square. And area of square, everyone know formula, side multiply side. In every question you will write formula. Understand? So side into side, 10 centimeter multiply 10 centimeter. 10 into 10, 100. And area always in square. Square centimeter. It is your answer. Understand? Understand or not? It is very easy. Say now question number 3. The length and breadth of the rectangle of 3 rectangle. In the question number 3, it is given the length and breadth of the rectangle are given. So which one has largest area, which one is smallest area? So apply, use the formula of area of triangle and you compare which one is larger, which one is smaller. Understand it? Next is question number 4. Question number 4. Very important question. The area of rectangular garden. Now area is already given. Yes. And the area of rectangular garden 50 meter long is 300 square meter. Whenever in the question is given beta, anywhere is given square meter, so it means it is given area. And whenever it is given meter, centimeter, it is meaning it is length, breadth or perimeter. So write area of rectangular garden. How much? 300 square meter. It is given beta like this one. It is a square given and is 50 centimeter long. Long mean length. So 50 meter long. So right, length of rectangular garden. How much? 50 meter. We have to find its width. Width means breadth here. So it means it is area is 300 and B we have to find. So right, let length of rectangular garden. How much? It is B. Understand or not? Do you write area of garden? Area of garden how much given? 300 square meter. And now tell me, if area is 300 given, it is also area of garden. Whenever area of garden is given, we will use area of garden formula. So a garden is a rectangular. Area of garden, length multiply breadth. It is equal to 300. Because it is also area. It is also area formula. L into B is also area. 300 also is B area. So length is how much given? 50 into B into 300. Now same as it is. I already told you. Multiply another side, divide. Second another method. How will you find? Otherwise you can do like this one also. 50 multiply B equal to 300. We want to find value of whose? Breadth. B. So it means we have to remove 50. And 50 how can you remove? Divide by 50. 50 cancel. 50. So we will divide both side by 50. Divide both side by 50. 50 into B divided by 50. Both side we will divide and multiply by same number. 50 cancel 50 B. 0 cancel 0. 5 6. It is 6 meter. 6 meter. You can do like this one also. Same as directly. 50 multiply another side, divide. So 50 another side, divide. So 300 divided by 50. Otherwise you can do like this. Understand? You can verify its answer also. Because area is always length into breadth. Length is 50. Breadth is 6. So 50 into 6. 6006. So 300. Yes, area is what is given 300. So our answer is right. Understand? Like this one, we can verify also. So it is your answer. Understand it? Now next. Next is question number 5. What is cost of tiling? Yes, first we are doing question number 6. Yes, question number. First we are doing question number 6. Okay. Question number 5 we will do in next class. Now we have very short time. So write a tabletop measure. A tabletop. So tabletop is given 2 meter by 1 meter 50 centimeter. It's by, always remember beta, it is length, it is breadth. Length multiply breadth. The tabletop is given. What is the area in square meter? So we will write length of table top. How much? 2 meter. Same as it is. Breadth of table top. How much? 1 meter 50 centimeter. So we will change either both in meter or centimeter. It is in meter, so we will change in meter. 1 meter plus 50 centimeter mean 50 divided by 100. 0 cancel 0. So 1 meter plus 0.5. So how much become? It is 1.5 meter. So area, yes, the tabletop is always like a rectangle. So area of table top is like a rectangle. Length into breadth. So find length 2 meter, breadth 1.5. So 2 15. Remove decimal. How much? 10. So 2 5 5 3. So what is 3 square meter? Always area in square meter or square centimeter. Understand it? Next is question number 5. Look at question number 5. Question number 5. What is the cost of tiling of a rectangular plot of 500? A rectangular plot is given, beta. Rectangular plot. It is rectangular plot, okay, and its length 500 meter, breadth is 200 meter, 200 meter wide. At the rate of, we are at the rate of 8 rupees per meter per 100 square meter. So what is the total cost of tiling? So first you have to think in the question, we have to find perimeter or area. You know, it is a plot and you want to lie tile. Where we will use tile? Tile we are using like this one or not? Like this one? Tile we will use. So it means tile you are using in tile you are using in area or perimeter? We are using tile in area. So first we will find its area. So we will write length of plot 500, breadth of plot 200. Always remember beta, first thing we have to find perimeter or area. Perimeter means total length of outer boundary, but tile we will use inside or not. It means we are using an area. So we will write area of plot. How much? Length into breadth. How much? 500 into 200. meter. So how much? 5 to the 10, 4 0, 1 2 3 4 and square meter. Area is always in square meter. And in the question is given the total cost of tiling. So it is the total area, but what is the total cost? 8 rupees per 100 square meter. To write cost of tiling, cost of tile. So we have to find what is the total cost of tiling. So cost of tiling 100 meter square. Per 100 meter square, how much is 8 rupees? Understand or not? So first to write same as it is. Cost of tiling 1 meter square, 8 by 100 meter square. Yes, tell me, if I ask you cost of 2 pen is 10 rupees, and if so tell me what is cost of 1 pen? What is cost of? You will say, sir, 5 rupees. 10 divided by 2, like this one or not? So always whenever we want to find cost of 1 pen, so total divided by this one. But I ask you cost of 2 pen is 10 rupees. So what is cost of 5 pen? So first we will find cost of 1 pen or not? So cost of 1 pen. So cost of suppose 6 pen. What is cost of 6 pen? So first we will find what is cost of 1 pen. 1 pen 10 divided by 2, 5. Cost of 1 pen 5 rupees. Cost of 6 pen 5 into 6. So cost of 6 pen 10 divided by 2. 5 multiply 6, like this one. Same as it is here. We want to find what is cost of this tiling. Tiling is using area. So what is total area? 10 lakh. To write cost of 1 lakh. Cost of tiling 1 lakh meter square. How much? It is 8 by 100 multiply. How many? It is 1 lakh. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 2 0 cancel. 2 0. So what is 8 into 1000? 8,000 rupees. Are you understand this example? Because beta, suppose I ask you what is cost of 6 pen. You will say, sir, what is cost of 1 pen? First we have to find value of 1 pen. So suppose in the question is given cost of 2 pen 10 rupees. So cost of 1 pen 10 divided by 2, and cost of 6 pen. Cost of 1 pen multiply 6. Cost of 1 pen 10 by 2 multiply 6. Same as it is. We want to find what is cost of 1 lakh square meter, because cost of tiling mean tile we are using on area. So what is cost of 1 lakh square meter? So cost of tiling 100 meter square 8 rupees, because in question is given 8 rupees per 100. So it means 100 meter square 8 rupees. Cost of 1 tiling 8 by 100. Okay, so like as it is, you can do most of the question of this exercise. Understand it? One more. Which one you can want to do? Question number 7, you will do yourself. Same as it is question. Question number 7. Question number 7, do yourself. It is your homework. Homework, what is given? In the question number 7, a room is 4 meter long. It is a room given. 4 meter long and 3 meter 50 centimeter. And how many square meter of carpet is needed to cover the floor? It is a room, and if you want to, it is the floor of the room, and where we will use carpet? Carpet we will use here. So it means what we are using? Area. What we are using? It's a area. To find the area of this one. It is the equal to the total area of carpet. Understand? So do yourself strength question. Thank you everyone. Have a nice day.